Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take a look at the Beatstars trending searches on the command line. And I'm using what's called a cloud shell. So if you're familiar with cloud computing, you can sign up for a free trial of a cloud computing service such as Google Cloud Platform. So if you just Google GCP or Google Cloud Platform and sign up for the free trial, you'll get what's called a cloud shell, among other things. And you can run these commands and see what's trending in Beatstars. So I've already done that, and I'm in my cloud shell now, and I'm going to show you the command that shows us what the search trends are within that platform. So let's go ahead and run the command, and then I'll talk about how it's being utilized. So if we take a look at this command, curl, this curl is going to hit this website, and this URL is basically pulling from the Beatstars API the trending searches for tracks on a start date and an end date. So I'm choosing a start date of December 21st and an end date of December 22nd. So if I run this command, I'll get back a bunch of data, and it's not formatted very well. So let's go ahead and use a tool called JQ to make it look a little bit better. So we're going to run the command again, and now it's much more readable. So we can see Trippy Red had 36 searches, Dance Hall had 72 searches, Christmas had 46, Rick Ross had 27. So you could use this data to try to find out, you could graph this data daily, or just take a look at it daily and try to see what people are searching for, and maybe upload your beats depending on what the search results or the trending searches are. For example, if dance hall is a very popular search term, you might as well upload dance hall beats and maybe run ads on them to try to get people to purchase them. So let's take another look at this. So if we run this command again and then pipe it to another command called cat, and then redirect that to a file called 1222.txt. What that's basically doing is saving that command to a file called 1222.txt, or saving the output rather. So now if we go back a day, so 1221 is the end day and 1220 is the start day, and we save that to a file called 1221, we can compare the two files. So now we have two files. If we list them, they look like this: 1221 and 1222. And if we look for let's look for Bryson Tiller. So if we grep Tiller in 1221.txt and 1222.txt, just making sure it's present in both. And if we grep -A3, we'll get the lines below it. So Bryson Tiller on the 1221 file had 45 searches, and I believe number of hits is the amount of tracks that maybe match that tag. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure that count is the number of times people search for Bryson Tiller on 1221. So if we do the same query on 1222, we can see that 39 people searched for Bryson Tiller. So the count decreased so you could say that Bryson Tiller searches on Beatstar became unpopular in the period of one day. So let's pick another search term like Rick Ross. How about that? So 27 for Rick Ross on 1222. Let's check 1221. 37. So he did better yesterday. Let's check another term like Trippy Red. He got 31, and then the next day he got 36, so increased a little bit. But let's take a look at the file and see if we can find something that stands out. So R&B stands out. That one has quite a bit of searches, but that's pretty general. NBA Youngboy has 154, so that's quite a bit. And the number of hits is fairly high too. Let's see if we can find something bigger than 154. So of course Trap at 295, but that's too vague. for what we're trying to do as far as uploading beats in a particular artist, type beat, or genre or style. So Juice WRLD has 133. That's pretty high up there. Let's see. Let's go back to, I think it was NBA. So let's do NBA. So we're going to grep-A3 NBA 1222. So he had 145 on that day, and 1221 he had 154. So he decreased a little bit. But here's another nice thing. So we can go back to that curl command. So if we just up arrow, and if we get rid of this on the end, if we pipe to grep-A3 for NBA, we should get just the NBA results for that day. And we do. So if you just wanted to, so that's 1220 to 1221. Let's do 10 to 1211. So he had 93 back in mid-December, so he's definitely increased. So maybe he released a track recently or something. Not really sure why, but let's expand the range. So let's do all of December so far, December to date. And I believe today's the 22nd. So he's had 1,000 searches. Let's see how he did in November. So we just up arrow back to the date range and search November. So 11, I think there's, I'm not sure how many days are in November, but we'll try 31. Okay, maybe that wasn't, let's do half of November. Okay, so it could be that my end date was wrong for November. Let's try 30. We're getting an error. Not really sure why. Let's try again with an different end date. One that we know is definitely in there. So there we go. So mostly for November, he got 1,400 searches. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just let me know. But I just want to show you how you can use free tools to discover trending searches within Beatstars. And you could even expand on this, and maybe I'll do another video about this, where you could graph the search trends daily. And you could do all of this for free. If you know how to do this kind of stuff, it can be all be done with free AWS or Google Cloud Platform accounts, or even from your Mac or Windows machine. If you know what you're doing, you could set something up like this and it can run completely free. So hope this helped. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.